In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the business currency in Wave accounting. Whether you're new to Wave or simply need to adjust your settings, this process is straightforward and can make a big difference in how you manage your business finances. Let's start by heading over to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your business name displayed. Give it a click. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you want to select either Create a New Business or Add a New Business. This step is crucial because Wave does not allow you to change the currency of an existing business setup. By creating a new business profile, you ensure that your financial reports reflect the correct currency from the very beginning. Once you've selected to create or add a new business, you'll be prompted to fill out your company name and other details. Be sure to enter these accurately, as they reflect your business identity within the platform. This is also a great opportunity to review any additional settings or options that might be relevant to your business operations. As you proceed through the setup, you'll eventually encounter the currency prompt. Here, you'll see an option that says, Change this during setup. It's important to click on this option. Doing so allows you to select your primary reporting currency. This choice is vital for accurate financial tracking and reporting, particularly if your business deals with international transactions. Make sure you choose the currency that aligns with your primary business operations. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up a new business profile with the correct currency in Wave accounting. This setup will ensure that all your financial reports and transactions are aligned with your chosen currency, providing clarity and precision in your accounting practices. If you have multiple businesses or need to manage accounts in different currencies, simply repeat this process for each business. Remember, each business profile can only have one primary currency, so it's essential to create separate profiles for each currency you need to work with. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to change your business currency in Wave accounting. By taking these steps, you're setting your business up for better financial management and reporting accuracy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials and tips on optimizing your use of Wave accounting. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.